Good morning, everyone. My name is Eric Birnbach, Senior Managing Director here at Nasdaq. Let me be the first to welcome Universal Display Corporation to celebrate your 20-year listing anniversary. At this point, I'd like to introduce our executive host, Nelson Griggs, Executive Vice President.
Okay, you can say the big round of applause for Steve when he comes up. Okay? Well, good morning, everyone. It is truly my great pleasure to welcome Steve Abramson, President and CEO of Universal Display Corporation and Nasdaq. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to members of the board and management team and all of our distinguished guests in Nasdaq. We are incredibly excited to join us right here from the crossroads of the world as we get set to ring today's opening bell. Now, today we get to do something we don't do every day. We are here to celebrate a 20th year listing anniversary. 20 years ago, Universal Display had its IPO on Nasdaq. Let's get a big round of applause to kick things off. Woo! All right, the louder we clap, the more the stock goes up. So we're going to work on that. There we go. There we go. All right, so founded in 1994 and headquartered in Ewing, New Jersey, Universal Display Corporation is a leader in developing and delivering state-of-the-art organic light-emitting diode, or OLED, technology, materials, and services to the display and lighting industries. Universal Display's innovative and customized OLED technology delivers groundbreaking solutions to its clients and partners throughout the entire world. It's developed its high-quality, cutting-edge universal POLED materials that are recognized as key ingredients to the fabrication of OLEDs with peak performance and enables the development of low power and eco-friendly displays and solid-state lighting. In short, Universal Display helps make so many of the products each and every one of us use every day better and more enjoyable to use. So now some fun stuff. Since listing on Nasdaq in 1996, Universal Display has grown its market cap from $47 million to almost $3 billion. Let's get a big round of applause for that. All right. And along the last 10 years, revenue has grown from $10 million to $190 million. That's a compounded annual growth rate of 36%. This is truly, truly outstanding performance, and congratulate you all. All right. So, Steve, Nasdaq is very honored to have you on our market. We're privileged to watch you grow and prosper, and we look forward to many, many more years and many more celebrations. Keep the ties coming for the 30th, and look forward to having you guys with us forever. Coming up to the 30th. Yeah, coming up, Steve.
Thank you, Nelson, for your gracious remarks, and thanks to everyone at Nasdaq for being supportive for the growth of our company. We are honored to celebrate our 20th year of listing on Nasdaq by ringing the opening bell, well, actually by pressing the opening button. And we're thrilled to share this milestone with our employees, customers, partners, and shareholders. This is a recognition of what we have achieved as a team. If you allow me poetic license to paraphrase the immortal Sgt. Pepper, it was 20 years ago today that Sherwin taught the band to play. Our founder, Sherwin Seligson, gathered his intrepid band of entrepreneurs, and we took Universal Display public with just a research contract with Princeton University and no full-time employees. Isn't American capitalism grand? We began with a vision of creating the next generation of flat panel displays when cell phones didn't exist and TVs were CRT tubes. Our technology was energy-efficient, organic, light-emitting diodes, or OLEDs. Our entrepreneurial spirit has driven the growth of Universal Display from an R&D startup where our first office was located above a liquor store just outside of Princeton's campus to a leading player in the global OLED ecosystem. This journey has been filled with breakthroughs, challenges, triumphs, and unending persistence and vision. For the first 15 years, we invested over $200 million in research and development before we ever turned a profit. Today, we work with the largest consumer electronics manufacturers in the world. Our technologies and materials can be found in virtually every consumer OLED product, from smartwatches and tablets to smartphones and TVs, including Samsung's Galaxy series and LG's OLED TVs. We are an international company headquartered in New Jersey and have over 150 employees, our most important asset and the reason for our success. We are just in the early commercial stage of this long-term growth story, and we are excited to continue to play a critical role in this new era of display and lighting technologies. Congratulations to everyone, and it is just the beginning. Thank you.
Well, to the first time we've had the Beatles quoted here today, certainly that's a very, very gracious speech. Great, well done, and congratulations to all that you guys have accomplished. And in recognition, today is the replica of the Nasdaq Tower. That's for you guys.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Nelson. Appreciate it.